to add an M.2 SSD hard drive to the Optiplex 7050. This is the hard drive we will be adding. First thing you need to do is remove the cover. So you have to unscrew this, and then it slides off toward the front. So you just push this way toward the front, and the cover will come off. Next thing is you need to remove the SSD hard drive if you have one on, but you need to remove this casing right here. And so just squeeze and push and pull. There it goes. Okay. All right. Once you have that removed, you need to take this screw and unscrew it. Let's see if Next, you will take your M.2 hard drive and install it into the computer. And the only thing you need to know is there's a little notch here where the screw goes on, so it's going to look like this. And then this side goes into this connector right here. So it goes like this. So y'all can see it. Just like that. Pop it in, and then when you screw it in, you'll push it down. Once you have the M.2 hard drive installed, you need to replace the cover, and if it has a hard drive in it, you'll need to reconnect it to the connector here. To do that is you just sit it here, squeeze the tabs, and then you'll just push. Show me the right side here. This goes here. Once it pops in place, you're good to go. You're going to replace the cover. And then screw this back in. There. Screw this back in. And you've installed the M.2 hard drive. Next will be how to get the operating system to recognize the additional hard drive. That'll be in the next video. Thank you.